Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export Draw.io files as PDF in 2026. If you want to share, print, or save your diagrams in a professional format, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your diagram in Draw.io and make sure all your changes have been saved. It's always a good idea to review the diagram before exporting. Next, click on the File menu in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Export As and then choose PDF. Now the PDF export settings window will appear. Here you can adjust options such as page size, zoom level, margins, and page fit settings. Next, choose the settings that best match your diagram and how you plan to use the PDF file. Now preview the export options if available and make sure your diagram fits properly within the page boundaries. Next, click the Export button to continue. Draw.io will generate the PDF version of your diagram. Now choose a location on your computer or cloud storage where you'd like to save the PDF file. Next, enter a file name and confirm the save process. Once the export is complete, open the PDF file and verify that all shapes, text, and connections appear correctly. Finally, share, print, or archive the PDF as needed for your project or presentation. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export Draw.io files as PDF. Your diagrams can now be viewed and shared in a widely supported format. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.